Hey guys, welcome to Cars, Craps, and Travels. My name is Greg. Today it's just a sound check using Stella, my 2022 Mercedes-Benz AMG line GLA 35. I have the panoramic roof back so that you can hear what the road noise sounds like when it's in a manual setting. I don't know if you can hear the gear shifts or not. The technology that I use is just a plain Android phone. However, I'm going to go quiet for a minute and I'm going to let you listen to see if you can hear any of the sounds that I get to hear. And thanks, guys. Appreciate you all listening. Let's do this. There's a guy behind me in a Honda Civic. I know he wants to do something. I will tell you that the speed is disarming. These guys around here roll pretty fast. I don't know if you could get any of the sounds. There are no pops and crackles like maybe an M240. But an M240 doesn't have this kind of size or luxury either. So many ifs and buts. I prefer the Mercedes product. Thanks, guys, for hanging on. Appreciate your viewership. Have a great 2023. Love you all.